Hi there, today I'm going to show you 3 ways to style your cardamons. So first is when we're in the center, which is like you're going to use your comb to smooth it out, and I will lift it up, smooth it out one more time. Just make sure your roots are following the way it is. And then use your flat iron. I'll push a little forward to make sure the volume up, and I hold it and turn a little bit, straight right up and forward a little bit. Clean the back, shake it out, and then let it cool. Don't open it up yet. And then you can stop a little way. Spray first. And then you can comb it out. This is the way when you do, like if you have center part or you have just cardamons. This is easier. And then for the second way that we're gonna do, we still with the flat iron, but we're gonna do like for each side. That's gonna be really good for when you wanna go like more evenly. So you're still gonna section out your bends for this side first and smooth it out. And you're gonna lift it up with your cardamon, with your flat iron. And then you wanna do is like away from your face, that's for sure. Otherwise your cardamon is gonna look like this. So we're gonna smooth it out. Same, we're gonna push the top a little first, just give the volume. And then hold it, turn a little bit, and goes to a little back. Slowly way down. Don't comb it out yet until we got the hairspray. So we leave that. And same for this side. Comb smooth for your cardamons. Push a little to the front. Go away from your face. And with that, this we have like more volume, that's for sure. And if you feel like this is way too curly, you can adjust the ends a little bit by just straightening a little bit. And then you're gonna do the squeeze. And comb it out. This just gives you like more volume that you can focus for the ends part, and also like for the top volume, give you like good hold for that. And the third one we're gonna do is like for the side bends. So if someone like to wear the side bends like this, purely if you want to do like more volume, you can just do like from like middle, and then you can section back to the side you want. Or there's another way is you can just section out the cardamons still. And for sure you're gonna comb it out. So you're gonna hold the bends and do the same like when you're doing like 2 sideways. So you're still gonna lift it up a little bit, push it a little bit in the forward, and then turn to the back a little bit. Let it sit. Play with the spray. Make sure it's cooled down, and then you can use your finger or your combs to go more like smooth it out. Here we are. Subscribe for more tutorials and check the products below.